This is a big moment for the players. They have worked hard to get here and are eager to get started. The toss will be crucial, and we'll soon know who will bat first. The team that wins the toss will have a big advantage. That's a cardinal sin in cricket. The bowler needs to be aware of where his front foot is landing. The batsman didn't do enough to get his bat in the way, and the umpire had no choice but to give him out.
Yeah, he does play excellent shots. Let's see what he will do now.
The umpire's decision is final, and that one looked like it hit the stumps.
Batsman going to put scores on scoreboard for his team. Let's see his batting plan now.
That's a close shave for the batsman. He was lucky not to nick that one. The bowler is in the zone right now. He's beating the bat regularly, and the batsman is struggling to cope.
Good running between the wickets. It helps building the partnership.
That's great bowling from the bowler. He's got the batsman guessing and off balance.
That is a quick running between the wickets.
The fielder covered a lot of ground to take that catch. It's a fantastic effort, and the bowler is delighted with the results.
Batsman going to put scores on scoreboard for his team. Let's see his batting plan now.
Ooh, that's a close one. The batsman's in trouble here. The fielding team has gone up with a loud appeal.
Good running between the wickets. It helps building the partnership.
The bowler is in the zone right now. He's beating the bat regularly, and the batsman is struggling to cope.
That is a quick running between the wickets.
We are all set for the second. What a catch! The fielder made it look easy, but it was...
Yeah, he does play excellent shots. Let's see what he will do now.
The fielder had no chance of catching that one. A huge 6 from the batsman. That's out of here. A huge 6 from the batsman. The third umpire has been called into action. And the winning runs have been scored. What a moment for the winning team and their supporters. They have worked hard for this victory, and it's finally paid off.